In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your code security settings on GitHub to help protect your repositories from inadvertently sharing sensitive information. Keeping your project's integrity secure is essential, and I'll guide you through the straightforward process of adjusting your settings to block commits containing supported secrets. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the GitHub dashboard. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Now, you'll notice a range of options on your screen that offer different functionalities. To proceed, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll see an icon that represents your profile. Click on this profile icon to open a drop-down menu. With the menu now visible, you'll have a list of various options at your disposal. From these choices, you'll want to select Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page, where a host of account configurations and preferences are available for you to modify. Once you're on the Settings page, your next step is to locate the Code Security section. This may require a bit of scrolling depending on the layout and the number of features in your GitHub account, but it's an essential step as it contains the critical security settings for your code repositories. Upon finding Code Security, click on it to explore the related options. You'll notice multiple features here. This lists you on more sauce. Each designed to enhance the security of your projects. What specifically interests us here is a segment titled Push Protection for Yourself. This feature is crucial as it provides an added layer of security when managing your repositories. In this section, you'll have the ability to manage how your code interacts with repositories, especially regarding secret data. On the right-hand side of this segment, there's an option labeled Disable. If you wish to prevent any changes made to this particular setting, clicking Disable will stop any unauthorized action and maintain your security configurations as they are. Just remember, this action is solely for disabling push protection, so be sure it aligns with your security needs. Importantly, this setup blocks commits that contain supported secrets across all public repositories on GitHub. This step is vital as it ensures that any attempt to accidentally push sensitive information, like API keys or passwords, is blocked before it becomes a part of your repository history. And that's it. You've successfully managed your code security settings on GitHub, effectively safeguarding against potential breaches stemming from shared sensitive data. It's always best practice to periodically review your security configurations, ensuring they're aligned with any changes or updates to your projects. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to manage your repository